is intertwined. Intertwined. So let me put that up here. Where is it? Intertwined. And intertwined, it means that something is very closely connected. See, my fingers are intertwined. They're very difficult to separate. And this is the kind of connection. It's very difficult to separate this. This is intertwined. Let me show you some examples of intertwined. So these things are intertwined. So they're connected in a very hard way, very difficult to separate these. They're always together. Very hard to separate them. These fingers are intertwined. And finally, this is also intertwined. Intertwined. It's very difficult to pull these things apart. They're very closely connected. They have a very close relationship. All right, so let's see how we can use intertwined in sentences. Mary and John developed a very close relationship. So you can talk about intertwined when you're talking about people's lives. Their lives are like one life. Their two lives are like one life. So they're two, but then they come together like this and you can't separate them. It's almost impossible to separate their experiences. They have one life. It's two lives, but it's kind of like one life. They're always together. We can say their lives became intertwined. Intertwined. Let's make a when question with that sentence. When did their lives become intertwined? When did their lives become intertwined? And let's say the answer is when they studied together at university. Their lives became intertwined. Their lives became intertwined when they studied together at university. Their lives became intertwined when they studied together at university. Here's another situation. John is studying history because he is interested in current political events. Well, that's strange, right? If he's interested in current political events, why is he studying history? That doesn't make any sense. So let's make a why question. Let's make an if-why question. If John, if he's interested in current political events, if he's interested in current political events, why is he studying history? Why is he studying history? If he is interested in current political events, why is he studying history? If he's interested in current political events, why is he studying history? Okay, and here's the answer. Because current events and history, they're very closely connected. You can't really separate them. They go together all the time. So if you want to have a real understanding, you have to know both, because they're like this. You can't separate them. History and current events are intertwined. They have this kind of relationship. He's studying history because history and current events are intertwined. Now let's just take a look at the original paragraph, the sentence from the paragraph. Her destiny is intertwined with mine. So that means that their fates, their destinies are like this. You cannot separate them. They'll always be together. Very difficult to separate. Very difficult to know one from the other. All right, let's continue reading.